بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Burn.
To damage or destroy something with fire or heat. He lit a fire and burned her letters one by one.
उसने आग जलाई और एक एक करके उसके खत जला दिए.
Burn a hole in something. Workers had dropped a cigarette and burned a hole in the carpet.
वकास ने सिगरेट फेंका था और कालीन में एक सुराख जला दिया था.
Burn something to a crisp or cinder. Destroy something completely by burning it. Most of her possessions had been burnt to a cinder.
उसका ज्यादातर सामान जलकर खाकिस्तर हो चुका था.
The cake is slightly burnt, I am afraid.
केक पतले जल गए हैं, मुझे अफसोस है.
Burn down. To completely destroy a building by burning it. They weren't injured, but their house burned down.
वो जख्मी नहीं हुए, लेकिन उनका घर जल गया.
Incinerate.
To destroy unwanted things by burning them in a special machine. All the clothes that were affected by radiation had to be incinerated.
ताबकारी से मुतासिर होने वाले तमाम कपड़ों को जलाना पड़ा.
Scorch.
To burn the surface on something and leave a dark mark on it. The iron was too hot and he scorched the shirt.
लोहा बहुत गर्म था और उसने खमीज को जलाया था.
Singe.
To damage something such as hair, wool or paper by burning it slightly so that the ends or edges are burnt. The candle singed his arm hairs.
मोमबत्ती ने उसके बाजू के बाल गाए.
Charred.
Wood, sticks, bones etc. that are charred are black because they have been damaged by burning. It was nearly impossible to recognize the charred bodies.
लाशों की शिनाख्त करना तकरीबन नामुमकिन था.
This channel is based on knowledge. Subscribe, like and share British Institute please. It is all for you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
ये चैनल उन पर मुबनी है. बराह करम ब्रिटिश इंस्टीट्यूट को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक और शेयर करें. ये सब आपके लिए है. शुक्रिया और अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.